Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create group invitation link Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to create group invitation link Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, to create a group, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this three-person icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Select one of your groups. Well, here you have entered the group. And here there are many menu options. Tap the link icon in the right corner here. And this menu will appear. But copy to take or copy the invitation link. Well, here you have finished taking the group invitation link. Please send it to the members you will invite to your group. By clicking this link, other members will automatically join your group. So that's it, tutorial how to create group invitation link Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.